Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the consumer price index. The wholesale price index measure the change in general level of price and they are felt to reflect the effect of the increase or decrease of price on the cost of living of different class or group of people in society. The consumer price index number are also called the cost of living index and retail price index and price of living index number. So we can say that consumer price index number are designed to measure the average change over the time in the price paid by the ultimate consumer for the specific quantity of goods and services, and they measure the change in the cost of living of the particular section of society due to change in the retail price, as in the retail price level affected the cost of living of different class of people differently. The general index number failed to reveal this. Hence there is a need to construct the consumer price index. People consume different type of commodities. People consumption habit also are from person to person and place to place and class to class. Next, construction of price index. The following step of construction of price index are as first, determination of the group of people, means the consumer price index are constructed separately for different class of people or group or section of society, such as urban, agricultural labor, industrial worker, etc. The major group from whom the consumer price index have been constructed in India are the industrial workers, the urban non-manual worker, agricultural labor. In India, consumer price index for the industrial workers is far from the most popular index. This is constructed on the monthly basis with lag of 1 month. CPI is major change in the retail price of goods and services covering 260 items of consumption from 70 center. The CPI for industrial workers is increasingly considered appropriate indicator of general inflation, which shows the most accurate impact of the price rise on the cost of living of common people. Next, conducting the family budget inquiry. Family budget inquiry is held with the view to find out how much the average family of this group spend the different item of consumption. The quantity of the commodity consumed are also price at which they are purchased are noted down. The inquiry is done on the random sample basis. Some family are selected from the number of family lottery and method their family budget are scrutiny in detail, like the food, clothing, fuel, lighting, etc. Next, collections of price quotation. The collections of price quotation is very important in the construction cost of living index price, which is vary from place to place, from shop to shop, and from consumer to consumer. It is difficult time consuming for to collect the retail. The principle adopted in collection of retail price are price must related to fixed list of the item of the given quality. Retail price must be the price which have given by the consumer. If discount is given to all customers, it can taken into the account. We must take into the account the ratio ration price, control price, and open market price. In the cost of living index, the price is most important element. Thus, we must have very careful in the collection of price list. Price lists are collected by the special agent or mail questionnaire. First, we must select the special agent and give special training to them. They must be instructed properly, give them list of the item to be priced. Price verification must be conducted by the checking price and purchasing check. The cost of living index is weightage index. The price of index number of the relative must be weightage because of their different relative importance of various item of different class of people. It can be found out by the amount of spent on various item. Next, the method of construction. There are two methods of constructing consumer price index. First, family budget method of weightage method. Consumer, the formula for the consumer price index summation WR upon summation WR. Here R is equal to P1 upon P0 into 100 for each item. W is weighted. Next, aggregate expenditure method. Aggregate method. The consumer price index summation P1 Q1 upon P summation P0 Q0 into 100.